a centrifuge, seeking refuge from the madness of reason. I'm spinning out of a golden age. There are schools of thought dumbing down. We were the sages on a collision course from now to nowhere.
Still waiting on that heifer, Julio. Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. You're cool. And fuck you, I'm out.
Who's coming with me? Who's coming, man? Who's coming with me? Huh? Who's coming with me, man?
Everything that I got on my own. Buy it out like the f is alone. I've been out on the road, making memories, making history, watch it unfold. Ain't going for gold. I've been under some pressure, but what happened to cold? It's a cold world, so I keep it burning. Rolling like Tina Turner. Y'all better watch what you wish for. Looking like Timmy Turner. I ain't asked for no handouts, I don't need no assistance. Never wanted to stand out, never wanted to fit in. I just wanted to blend, wanted consistency. Yeah, wanted some distancing. All of you niggas can kiss the ring. Yeah, the GOAT, believe it or not, like it's Rick believes. None of it really makes sense to me. Cause I'd have been counted out, I'd have been doubted before. But funny how all of the people that doubted and cried around steady. I ain't ever needed favors from no one. Everything that I got on my own. I own what I got. Yeah, so I ain't never needed favors from no one. No. Yeah, I ain't never needed favors from no one. I'm the one that's been chosen. Never needed anybody to pay for my fall off, but they wishing and hoping and pray on my downfall. But what is this crown for? If I ain't the king, you wasn't around for. I shine like a downpour to all of my dreams are finally happening. It wasn't no accident. This what you get when you're hungry and passionate. My success was the catalyst. Just wait till I make it, but patience is key though. Patience is key. Just wait and you'll see. I pray for the wig, never pray on the wig. And I say what I mean, yeah. Wanted some distancing. All of you can kiss the ring. Yeah, the GOAT. Believe it or not, like it's Rick believes. None of it really makes sense to me. Cause I'd have been counted out, and I'd have been doubted before. But funny how all of them people that doubted and cried around steady. I ain't ever needed favors from no one. Yeah, everything that I got on my own. I own what I got. Yeah, so I ain't never needed favors from no one. No. Yeah. Yeah. I ain't never needed favors from no one. Everything that I got on my own. I got on my own.